Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, we are going to talk about a question that creates tense atmosphere around us. I don't know about all of you, but for most of the people, including me, get scared when hearing this question. What is that question? Tell me about yourself. Oh God, that question really gives me those panic attacks. I don't know how to introduce myself. I don't know what should I talk about myself. Like, what do I say? My name, my place, or my family, my hobbies. I don't know what should I start with, or what should I end this conversation with. So today we are going to clear the tense inside ourselves. How to introduce ourselves confidently. Think of self introduction like your personal trailer. It gives a quick preview of yourself to others and it will help you to connect with that people. This is really a basic topic, but learning how to introduce yourself is very important because you never know when will that question come up to you. It may come without a warning. So, let's start how to introduce yourself. First, you will have to start with a greeting. You will first have to understand what type of setup you are in. Is it a formal one or an informal one? We have different greetings for formal and informal situations. Formal setup is in an office or officially somewhere or where you have to behave yourself or you have to be very careful when you speak out the words. So there you will start with good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of the day. And don't forget to look the time of the day. Don't go and just say good morning in the evening. That will create a bad impact. So always look at the time and say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And then you can also say hello. Simple hello can work. Now, if you are in an informal situation where you are just talking with your friends or colleagues or having a really casual conversation, you can just start with hi, hey, hello. You can also use hello in an informal situation. So, this is the initial greeting that you have to give to someone. The next thing is your name. How will you give your name? I am dash. I am Naurin. Am Naurin. Both are right. Then you can say, my name is dash. My name is Naurin. This is probably used in a phone call conversation where you cannot see the other person. Or you can also start like, this is Naurin. So the terms are, I am Naurin. This is Naurin. My name is Naurin. Now, one of the common mistake I heard so many people tell is myself Naurin. Don't do that mistake. Don't say myself Naurin. It's a wrong sentence. So please try to correct yourself. Don't use myself Naurin. Instead, you can use these other sentences. Now you can talk about your location, where you are coming from. I am from Germany. I come from USA. I am Indian. Now, if you are from a place and you are born or brought up in a different place, you can say, like, I was born and raised in Spain. Or you can say, I was born in India but raised in Germany. Now, if you are from a different place and currently residing in a different place, you can say, I'm basically from USA but currently residing in India. Now you can talk about the position and your company. I work at ABC for the sales department, or I work for ABC in the marketing department, or you can say, I'm a teacher at ABC school. I work as a teacher in ABC school. Now, if you are in an official setting, you have to talk about your qualification. You can just say, like, I am a physics graduate. I am an IT graduate. Now, if you want to talk about your experience, that is a must if you are looking for a job and you are in a job interview. You can say, like, I have 5 years of experience in sales field. I have 10 years of experience in dash department. Now, if you are in a formal or informal situation, you will have to talk about your hobbies. So, talking about hobby, you can simply say, I like reading, I like listening to music, I like riding bicycle, I like traveling, anything. What you like, add I like and add your favorite thing there. Let's move on to the next part, that is family. How to tell about your family. I belong to a four-member family. I am from a family of four. Don't do the mistake of telling we are four in our family. That's a wrong sentence. So use these other two sentences when talking about your family. Now you can also talk a little bit longer, like I have mom, dad, and two siblings in my family. And more elaborate, I have mom, dad, one brother, and one sister in my family. Now we are moving to the final session, that is ending. How can you end this conversation? If you are in a job interview, you can end it like thank you for this opportunity or thank you for your time. Uh, if you are not in a job interview but in an official setting, you can simply say have a good day. If you are in an informal situation, you can simply end your conversation with a bye or see you soon, see you later, we'll meet again, such things. I hope I have gave you enough options to prepare an introduction script for yourself. Keep your introduction script ready in your mind on a notepad or anything and be prepared. Practice it out loud on a daily basis. And don't forget to comment down your way of introducing yourself. So this is all for today, guys. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.